Okay, so we are looking at the packet called Partial Products Production, and I want to point out the directions. This word evaluate, it says evaluate each equation and match it to a product shown below, then write the equation that accompanies the product. What does it mean to evaluate? What does that word mean? Sometimes we see that on a test. I don't want to see people working on their spiral review, because then people come back to me and tell me how hard something is later and they just haven't really listened. What does it mean to evaluate something? What does that mean? Will? What? Put it together, kind of. Solve. Answer. Think about something. Evaluate means to give something a value. Okay, so we're evaluating the equation. We're going to figure out the value of the equation, what it's worth. Okay, so on this page we have all of our products, and on this page we have partial products. Okay, and these partial products add up to a total product. But in order to do the partial products, we have to figure out what is the equation. So go ahead, and I think the easiest way at least to start is to draw the area model, because these are all 2 by 2 multiplication problems. So this one over here has 60 times 20. Now let's think through this. 60 times 20. This is how that would look on our box, right? And then it has 60 times 3. So here's our 3. 7 times 20. And 7 times 3. Do you see what I just did? I just took these and I assigned them to my boxes. So basically, this is 67 and this is 23 broken apart, right? 67 times 23. Right? So what is 67 times 23? Well, look, 60 times 20, what is 6 times 2? 12. How many zeros am I going to add? 60 times 3, what is 6 times 3? 18. How many zeros? 1. 7 times 20, what, 7 times 2? 14. How many zeros? 1. And then 7 times 3 is? Okay, and we add together our partial products, 8, 10, 14, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bring down the 1, 1,541. These partial products can also go here in your boxes. Okay, so 1,541, find it on the front. The multiplication problem is 67 times 23. Now it says, write the equation. Is that an equation? No. What does an equation have to have? An equal sign, and it has to have the answer or a variable. And it needs to be written left to right, not up and down. That's how you write an equation. It needs an equal sign. It needs to be written left to right. Yes, Rowan? Okay, well, we're going to do another one. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Again, let's draw our area model. Okay, what is this number broken apart? 38. 38. So we can put that on one side, 30 plus 8, and then what is this number broken apart? 59. So put it on one side, 50 plus 9. So 3 times 5 is 15, add our 2 zeros. 3 times 9 is 27, add a 0. 8 times 5 is 40, add a 0. And 8 times 9 is 72. So we need to add together our partial products. I'm going to go ahead and add these 2 together. And I get 1,242. So, go back to the products. I don't see 1,242. So, did I add wrong? I did. I didn't carry my 1. So it's 2,242. So I need to write the full equation down here, which is 38 times 59 equals 2,242. Okay? So it's just reviewing. Oh, I wrote that on the wrong paper. Shall we do one more together, or do you want to do one with your partner? Okay, do the next 2 with your partner, numbers 3 and 4. Numbers 3 and 4 do with your partner.